So we're going to start doing a music theory thing called Guerrilla theory. What it is basically designed to help you learn music theory with nothing but paper and pencils and just a little bit of quick instruction. And each lesson is going to be designed to, introduce you to one new concept per video. So this will be a short video on the circle of fifths and how the mathematical construction of the scales is basically presented. So it's going to be like a diagram. So what you're going to need is a piece of paper and some markers, or you can just use a pencil or a pen. So we're going to start by drawing a circle in the middle of your paper. And over on this side of the circle over here, we're going to put the keys and music that have sharps in them. And over on this side of the circle over here, we're going to put the keys and music that have flats in them. So this is going to require a little bit of basic knowledge about scales, but you probably already know this. The first key that has no sharps or flat in it is the key of C. Now, as we go over onto the sharp side, I'll use a different color to highlight it a little bit. I'll use red for the sharps. The next key is going to be the key of G, and that's because it has one sharp in it. And as we go to the next one, that would be the key of D, it has two sharps in it. Key of A, 3 sharps. Key of E has 4 sharps. Key of B has 5 sharps. Key of F sharp has 6 sharps, and the key of C sharp has 7 sharps in it. So we go from 0 sharps or flats all the way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sharps. Now we're going to do the opposite on the flat side. So let's use blue for that. I feel like Bob Ross right now. All right, so here we go. We've got the key of F over here with 1 flat, followed by the key of B flat has 2 flats. Key of E flat has 3 flats. Key of A flat has 4 flats. Now we get into an interesting situation at the bottom of the circle where we have keys that are called enharmonics. Now this is a fancy word in music that just means notes that sound the same but look different. So C sharp and D flat are just basically doppelgangers for each other. If we go over here, G flat, 6 flats, and then C flat, 7 flats. So basically what we've got here is 0 sharps or flats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sharps. 0 sharps or flats to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flats. So if somebody asks you, this would be a good Jeopardy question, how many scales or keys are there in music? It's actually a complex answer. The answer is there are 12 sounding, but 15 written. And that's because down here we have 2 different keys that have different spellings than there's 2 ways to write these keys down here.